nothing like this type of stuff, baby.
It ain't meant for you.
What do you do? Positive Vibe Adventures.
We at it again.
Last day though.
Yeah.
Last day.
Oh, it's a sad day.
Bittersweet.
Yeah.
Not too sad. Still a little sad because I gotta go home and handle some personal business, but
That's just part of life,
baby.
unfortunately. But we're about to head to this St. Jude.
go see what that's about because we've never been to now, so.
Oh, we've never been to a group for St. Jude.
Hey, we're gonna go and see what all the celebration is about for the kiddos.
Yeah, go get us some shirts so we can represent as well. Just see what this day's got for us. Probably a lot of activities because, man, we got a lot of stuff that we haven't done yet that we need to get done.
Get it off the bucket list. Check.
Maybe a final meal with the group. Other than that, it's just going to be a pretty chill sea day. I'm ready for it.
I'm ready for it.
Let's head upstairs and go do this thing.
Let's go.
All right.
But you know what? The kids of St. Jude, they deserve more. They deserve more. Do we have anyone that can bid higher than $500? There's got to be someone out there. Tony, who are you pointing at? This lady with her hand in the air, how much? $600. Going once. $600. Going twice. $600 sold to the beautifully colorful lady in the fourth row. $600 for St. Jude right there.
And the generous people of our cruise community raised $500 for the campaign.
Incredible, $500 right there from the cruise world and their viewers and subscribers on YouTube. Who else is in? Who else is coming in?
Mike and Betsy from Beach Please. So that was Mark and Betsy from the cruise world. This is Mike and Betsy from
Mike and Betsy, come on in. Now tell everybody, Beach Please. Beach like a sandy place, right?
Right, yeah. We are Beach Please, and we want to donate $400. We raised $400 by asking all of our subscribers to dare us to do different things around the cruise. So if you see us looking silly, right after this,
If you see someone in a jeans speedo in approximately 30
So yeah, we raised $400 and we feel great about it, and thank you all for all of your donations as well.
So we all got together actually, and I had Midlife Crazy, who's also here. Brandon Kimberly, Positive Vibes Adventures, which is Danny and Tanya. And of course, Mike and Betsy and Mark and Stephanie. We all got together collectively on Friday night on my show, and we were able to raise $4,700.
Carnival Panorama family, give them a huge round of applause for their incredible efforts, the generosity of their viewers and subscribers on YouTube and their social media platforms. Wow! How incredible is that?
Man, look at Mike.
Somebody said, choo-choo. Bye. Oh my. Is he acting like he's drunk? guys, we finished the St. Jude's party. We donated a little cash for the little kiddos. So now we just finna go stroll the boat. It's chilly. You can tell we
cold.
headed back to Cali because it's most definitely a cold. And I'm not with it. But even though I'm going back to the cold, I'm not with it.
I'm ready. I'm ready for some food.
Okay, you guys, we are going on the skydive. Oh my God. I want us to kind of stay together though, but if you leave me, which you probably will.
I'm gonna try to stay with you.
Well, you guys, this is our last day on here. We had a good, amazing 6 days. I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we tried it out. And today we're trying to do the last of the activities, and we're on our way back to California, and it is freezing out here.
It's cold.
Maybe think we already in Colorado. Right when I come back in.
Like when you come back.
But I pedal to go forward?
Yes. Not yet.
Okay. Oh my God, y'all. I'm doing it and I'm nervous. Okay. Y'all, I'm really nervous. I'm trying not to be. Why doing this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh my God, y'all. I'm up high. Oh my God. I can't do nothing like this type of stuff, baby.
It ain't meant for you. Here we go, you guys.
Danny is doing the ropes course, you guys, which I'm not gonna do because it was not for me. So, Go, Danny, go. Danny boy is into sports and stuff, that's his thing. Me, on the other hand, a girl like me is not into the sport. He's getting held up by the slow people. in. Way to go, Danny boy.
Alright, y'all, we headed to our final dinner.
Final din. It's over with.
It's over.
I'm kind of ready to get back home to my own flavor.
Yeah.
Anyway, but bittersweet moments.
That's very true, baby. We ready to do this thing. Have almost packed. We're gonna do the trampoline part tonight. That's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited. Got 3. Done in 2 minutes. You're gonna be done in 2 minutes.
Yep. I'm out of breath now.
I can't even flip, so it's kind of lame.
Do what you want, do what you want, do it.
Danny is on the climber. I'm out of breath. Oh my God. We are at the Sky Zone. We almost there, he got it. I don't have it.
Do what you want, do what you want, do it. Do what you want, do what you want, do it. Do what you want, do what you want, do it. Do what you want, do what you want, do it.
So we just did the Sky Zone.
Oh my God, guys, I'm in a bad shape. I need to shape up a ship out. Don't judge me.
She
but,
had
huh,
fun. That's all that matters.
Few little bounces and that's all I needed, baby.
It was fun.
Baby,
We enjoyed it. Now we're sweating.
looking stupid.
It's supposed to be the last night, just enjoying ourselves, and we go jump around. We had like an hour to still jump. We did it for 5 minutes. We done. We done, y'all.
Yeah, you can just belt it. Just belt it. You can be louder than that. All right, we might see if you can make it in. Here we go.
Dang, what a fun final sea day on the Carnival Panorama. Man, I had so much fun today, Positive Vibers. Oh my God, what an amazing trip this was. Can't wait to get back on another ship. We'll see y'all next time on Positive Vibe Adventures. Peace, y'all.